How to buy TopOilNews token. So this token came under the symbol of oil. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also there's referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as the below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, if you click on their official website, you will be able to redact to this page. So right now, this token is in pre-sale now. So the pre-sale sale second ends in 50 days. So as you can see, one sol equal 80,000 or 82,000 of oil token. And as you can see, if you want to buy this token, click on buy tokens here, as you can see. So how to buy this token? As you can see here, they provide to send the sol to this token. This address, sorry. So how to buy this? So copy the address, as you can see. Now select your wallet that you use. For example, if you use the Phantom wallet, what you need to do, I will just log into my wallet first. So if you want to send some sol to that address, what you need to do, select sol, as you can see here. Now what you need to do, click on the from here, as you can see, click on swap. Now what you need to do here is just just go back. Now what you need to do here, just click on send. Now select the sol, as you can see here, the recipient Solana address. Just paste that address that you copy from their pre-sale page. Now here set how much you want to buy or to send to that address to be able to they send you the token on your wallet. So because I don't have any sol, so I can be able to see here the next. So for you, after you set the how much of Solana you want to send to that address in order to receive that token on your wallet, click on next and complete the buy process or the send process to be able to send that amount to this Solana address. So after that, as you can see, the corresponding amount of oil will be transferred to your sol address within 12 hours. So you can also buy oil token for USDT and BNB according to the exchange rate at the time of transfer, as you can see. So after that, you can wait 12 hours to be able to receive that token. So this is how to buy oil token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.